Top best search keys, iOS 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. First is called WhatsApp Reveal. Many features of WhatsApp application. CEO, iOS 9 to iOS 16.x. You have all these features right here for WhatsApp. It's called WhatsApp Reminder. Schedule a reminder for WhatsApp contact where fires at a specific date you choose. Re-receipt, same with WhatsApp News re-receipt features, 2 blue V's, regain your privacy. Got IG no connection alert and tiny tweet that gives a chance to get rid of the no internet connection alert. And this is a full screen date, time, battery, and music widget, guys. Features right here. Add a folder. Easy move apps to your folders. Supports iOS 13 to 15.7.2. Code 15.0. Your iOS version supported. Supports iOS 6 and above. Google Note 2 color emoji font for emoji font manager. Unicode 15.0. YT Shorts Progress enables the YouTube Shorts Progress scrubber in the YouTube Shorts. Kincaid. It's the for iOS 15 been released for Patreon. So this right here is WatchOS use Legismo Jupiter instead. Pretty much allows you to pair your Apple Watch with an older iOS version. So this is called Spring Cuts, one shortcuts from the Springboard. Supports iOS 14 to 15.7.2. Quick CC dismiss. Quickly dismiss Control Center from expanded modules. This is called Power Cuts Activator Actions. Supports iOS 14 to 14.8. Provides all activator actions to Shortcut app. For Birdpoop is now open source under the MIT license. Wall. iOS 13 to 15. Fake picture. It's used for fake picture and like a selfie, so you can pretty much retain your privacy. Video swipes. Swipe gestures for video players. This is called Pancake, an interactive dismiss gesture on the whole screen. It's called No Tie Vibe. Know if you have a notification without looking at your phone. This is called No Tie Cut. Run shortcuts using push notifications. It's called Easy Airplane Mode Disabler. Turn off airplane mode directly from an alert. Alright. And this is called Don't Want to Sleep Now. Unlazy lock your device while sleeping. While sleep view is active. It's called No Slow Animations, and it'll pretty much speed up your animation, so in other words, make your device faster. Live Dementia, Library of Dementio. Monitor your battery drain. So manage your battery drainage after you pretty much enable it to when you disable it. It's called IG Story Full Screen, hide username in post, and full screen story. iOS 14. So you guys, thanks for watching. Catch the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.